We are raising our standards right now. We are changing the strategy, the way we date. We are paying attention to the red flags. We don't want to be obsessive, of course not, but we want to be aware. We want to be conscious. We want to do all this work so we know that this is the wrong person straight away. It will make your life so much easier. It will prevent you from making mistakes. It will prevent you from falling for wrong people. If you see that at the very, very early stage, if we don't share that message and if we don't make ourselves aware, we just gonna keep walking around with our blinders on, like not seeing what is going on and falling for those traps, attaching emotionally way too soon. Yes, we are attaching way too early, sometimes sooner, quicker than men. But when you having those first dates and you are aware that, yeah, I'm gonna be careful, yeah, I'm gonna watch out for this, I'm gonna really listen what he's saying, and I'm really gonna feel the vibe that he's giving me, you are totally able to control yourself, the way you attach, whether you attach or you don't attach. Totally you can control that. Self-awareness creates a choice and you can make that choice. Yeah, nope, yes, nope, yes, no. And we gotta identify that at the very early stage, at the beginning. If someone is at our level, if he can actually afford you, and what I mean by that is emotionally afford you, right? Spiritually afford you, everything. Is he at your level? Because if he's not, then it will not work out no matter what. It will just not. It will hurt you over and over again. I'm actually totally taking a break from dating scene. It's been like a year and a half that I have not dated anyone because I took that time to really develop the relationship with myself, and this is how my mission started, and I'm on this amazing journey myself, and I just feel fucking amazing. But once I decide to go back to the dating scene, and I don't even know when, but it's probably gonna be after pandemics, maybe in a few years, I don't know, like I really don't need to do that. When I decide to, I know I will totally change my strategy. First of all, like I will date multiple men at the very early stage so I see the difference, and I make sure I am not attaching to anyone. I am not allowing them to access my body at the very, very beginning, because that's where the first big mistake happened. We just focused on that one person. You just didn't interview him properly. All we gotta do on the date is interview the person and pay attention at his emotional state, how he reacts. You just gotta listen, that's all. And it's crazy because some things they say at the very beginning, or maybe after second, third, fourth, fifth date, it will tell you everything. Just listen what they say. If he says,
"Oh, you're so amazing, you're too good for me,"
"I'm too good for you," and yeah, you walk away. If they ever say, because that is a sign of his insecurity, that he cannot actually deliver what he would have to deliver to a woman like you, and he will not meet your standards. If you feel like he's basically not there with you every time you're together, he's not there with you, he is just there with you when he wants to, so like going for drinks, or you at the restaurant, that's where he's having fun with you and he's with you. But in other situations, for example at the house or whatever, he is not actually there with you at all. That is a clear sign, and you will feel that inside of you. Like you will feel that he's literally ignoring you and you are in the same room. And it's not that you crave for attention, it's just like he's totally checked out, he's totally focused on himself, and that's the energetical difference. Interview, ask about his childhood. You want to ask about his life, like tell me about your childhood, tell me about your parents. All of that you want to know before you decide. You want to know what's going on there in the family. You want to know. Do not fall in love with words, fall in love with his actions and consistency. If you feel like you're stuck with a fuckboy or a narcissist or whoever you think that might be, just you can book a call with me so we can make a plan how to get yourself out and how to start healing your broken heart and how to really move on and open amazing opportunity for yourself. By staying with that person, you're blocking the right person to enter your life, and you really need to rebuild yourself from the scratch, basically, to match the person that is actually waiting for you out there, you know, because the toxic person that you're with right now might be totally destroying you, might be making you feel like you don't even know who you are. He might be making you feel like you are going crazy, and it's just insanity.